Friends, Romans, jewelry enthusiasts, lend me your ears. Tired of tangled necklaces and misplaced earrings? Me too. That's why we're going to build a jewelry organizer with our own 2 hands, using honest wood and sweat. This guide is for everyone. First-time woodworkers, seasoned pros, even if you've just mastered the hammer. No judgment, we all start somewhere. We'll craft a beautiful, functional organizer. One that'll make those store-bought contraptions weep plastic tears. This ain't just about tidying up, it's about creating something with purpose. Something that reflects your individual style. Because let's face it, your jewelry collection is as unique as you are, and it deserves a proper home. Now, before we get our hands dirty, let's talk supplies. Having the right materials and tools is crucial for a smooth woodworking experience. We're keeping it simple, folks. No need to overwhelm yourself with too many tools or materials. No need to raid the entire lumberyard. Here's what we need. Just the essentials to get started. Wood, pine, or plywood work great for beginners. They are easy to work with and readily available. Choose a thickness you're comfortable with. Thicker wood can provide more stability for your project. I recommend at least 3/4 of an inch for sturdiness. This thickness ensures your organizer will be durable. Saw. A hand saw will do the trick, but a power saw will make things faster. Always prioritize safety. Make sure to wear protective gear. Measuring tape. Accuracy is key, folks. Don't eyeball it. Precise measurements will save you a lot of headaches later. Pencil. For marking our cuts, unless you're a whiz with the saw and can cut perfectly straight lines freehand. A simple pencil can make a big difference. Sandpaper. To smooth out those rough edges and give our organizer that professional touch. Different grits will help you achieve a smooth finish. Wood glue, the glue that binds. It's essential for a strong bond between pieces. Choose one specifically for wood. This ensures the best adhesion and durability. Clamps. To hold those glued pieces together while they dry. They help maintain pressure and alignment. Patience is a virtue, but clamps make it easier. They ensure your project stays in place as the glue sets. Drill and screws. For extra stability, especially if you're building a larger organizer. Screws add that extra layer of security. Finishing supplies. We'll get into this later, but think wood stain, paint, varnish. Let your creativity run wild. These will give your project a polished look. Remember, quality tools make a difference. They can make your work easier and more enjoyable. Invest in the best you can afford. Good tools last longer and perform better. Your organizer and your fingers will thank you. With the right tools and materials, you're set up for success. Before we even look at that beautiful piece of lumber, we got a plan. This ain't a pie-eating contest. It's about crafting something special. Ask yourself, how much jewelry do I need to store? A small collection might only need a simple design. A treasure trove of bling? We're going bigger. What type of jewelry is most prominent? Lots of necklaces? Earrings galore? This will determine the features we incorporate. What style am I going for? Rustic? Modern? Minimalist? Let your personality guide you. Sketch out some ideas. Don't worry, this ain't about artistic talent. Just a rough outline of the shape, compartments, and any special features you want to include. Remember, this is your masterpiece. There's no right or wrong answer. Just have fun with it. Section 4. Measuring and cutting precision is key. In woodworking, precision is not just a guideline, it's a necessity. Every cut, every measurement must be exact to ensure the final product is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. All right, time to fire up those saws. But before we get too excited, let's make sure we're fully prepared. But hold your horses, safety first. Always prioritize your safety by wearing the appropriate gear. Always wear protective eyewear and be mindful of your fingers. A moment of carelessness can lead to serious injury. Now let's measure twice. Cut once. This old adage is the cornerstone of accurate woodworking. Using your sketch as a guide, carefully measure and mark the wood. Double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes. Remember, accuracy is crucial here. Even a small error can throw off the entire project. Once you're confident in your measurements, it's cutting time. Ensure the wood is securely positioned before you start. If you're using a power saw, go slow and steady. Rushing can lead to mistakes and uneven cuts. Let the saw do the work. Apply gentle pressure and let the blade glide through the wood. After each cut, double-check the fit against your other pieces. This ensures everything aligns perfectly. It's better to make adjustments now than to have regrets later. A little extra time spent now saves a lot of trouble down the line. This stage might seem tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Precision in these steps ensures a flawless final product. Precision now means a beautifully fitting organizer later. The effort you put in now will be evident in the final assembly. Plus, there's a certain satisfaction in making those clean, precise cuts. It's a testament to your skill and attention to detail. Section 5. Assembly. Building your bling fortress. Okay, we've got our pieces cut. Now it's time to put them together. This is where the magic happens. Apply wood glue to the edges that will be joined. Don't go overboard, a little goes a long way. Carefully align the pieces and press them together firmly. Use clamps to hold them in place while the glue dries. If you're using screws for added stability, pre-drill pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting. Then screw those pieces together. While the glue dries, take a step back and admire your handiwork. You're well on your way to a beautifully organized jewelry collection. Section 6. Finishing touches. Let your character shine. Now for the fun part. Let's add some personality to your organizer. Sanding. Smooth out any rough edges and give the wood a nice, even finish. Staining. Choose a stain that complements your style and existing decor. Apply it evenly according to the instructions on the can. Painting, feeling bold? Add a pop of color. You can paint the entire organizer or just accentuate certain areas. Hardware. Consider adding hooks, knobs, or decorative elements to enhance functionality and style. This is where your creativity can really shine. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Section 7. Installation and use. Admire your handiwork. Congratulations! You've built your very own wooden jewelry organizer. This is a moment to truly appreciate all the hard work and dedication you've put into this project. Now it's time to find the perfect spot for it and fill it up with your treasures. Think about where it will be most convenient and where it will look the best. Installation. Depending on the size and design, you can hang it on the wall or simply place it on a dresser or vanity. Make sure it's secure and easily accessible. Organization. Arrange your jewelry in a way that makes sense to you. Use compartments for earrings, hooks for necklaces, and don't forget to utilize every space efficiently. And trays for rings and bracelets. Enjoy the process of organizing and making it your own. Step back and admire your handiwork. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty and functionality of what you've created. Not only have you created a beautiful and functional piece, but you've also gained the satisfaction of building something with your own two hands. This is a testament to your skills and creativity. But you've also gained the satisfaction of building something with your own two hands. This is a testament to your skills and creativity. Don't forget to share your creations with the world. Take photos of your finished project and let others see what you've accomplished. Post pictures on social media and inspire others to embark on their own woodworking adventures. Your work could be the spark that ignites someone else's creativity. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Happy building! Keep experimenting and enjoy every step of your woodworking journey.